Okay, greetings one and all, and thank you for your inquiries about these Crockett and Jones Pembrokes. This will be the fourth video, the original one before I sent them off, and then when they came back and an update a couple of years later, and an update a couple of years after that. This is now 2025 and they were done in 2018. I've just checked on my videos going back. So we're looking at what, 7 years? Nearly 8, because nearly 2026, it's December now. So I'll tell you about this other pair in a minute. Here they are. And what's occurring? Well, I'll tell you. As you can see, the uppers, really, are they that much different from, I don't know. All of it. Nothing to report. Heel. So I'm going to do another video about such things. I'm going to keep these short. I'll just show you this pair. And importantly, we're all right for a while there. So that is going to need replacing. And my experience so far has been 2 of these before the sole goes through, and then send it and have the whole lot done. But it's going to be a while yet for these. I'll show you the other one. Nothing to report. And again, I'll do another video on whether I'm going to send it back for these or try the heel bar over the road. We'll see. So there we are. What's in there? Oh, that must have been the label when they were. This, I've had these for a while. They're another Pembroke. They're slightly different colour. I don't know if it shows. They look the same on the monitor at the moment, but I don't know. They came up at a good price. It's quite some time ago now. I don't know how long I've had these. They're not as old as these, but well, might as well have a look at them since they're here. You can see a slightly different colour, particularly there. You can see it's and not as worn as the others. Something interesting about them I'll show you just a second. And that's in good condition. There, again, even with these, we're getting near. They feel heavier, actually. No, they don't. Yeah. Now, interestingly, with these, I'm going to do another video on this as well. You can see that there's an extra bit stuck in there on the back of the tongue. And that is one of these with double-sided tape, which is from an insole. So I'll do a video on why I do that. Why there's only on one here. This is my larger foot, but strangely, these weren't seconds. Strangely, it's my larger foot, and this one, when I did them up, was looser. So you'd expect it to be tighter. It usually is on this side because it's my larger foot, but this one was looser, which means that this shoe must be slightly large enough that, despite my foot being larger on this side, it still was tighter when done up. So I've had that in for a while and I don't even notice any difference now. So I was lucky with that, but it could have been, if it was any larger still, it would have been not so good. But with that in there, it's fine. So I'll do a video on that. Anyway, that's the end of this one. And the next video, I'll explain my thoughts about the heel and show you an example from ones I had done before.